Welcome back to Flight Path Explorer travel enthusiasts. Today we're embarking on an incredible journey from the vibrant city of Taipei all the way to the bustling streets of London. Our adventure begins at Taiwan Taoyuan International Airport, where we'll board the renowned China Airlines for a long-haul flight that covers an impressive 12,364 kilometers. We'll be flying aboard the state-of-the-art Airbus A350, known for its comfort and efficiency. With a flight duration of 15 hours and 39 minutes, we'll be soaring through the skies while enjoying the exceptional service offered by China Airlines. As we take off, we'll traverse across breathtaking landscapes, crossing over mountains, oceans, and cities before landing at Heathrow Airport in London. Get ready to explore the rich history and vibrant culture of London, where adventure awaits at every corner. So buckle up, sit back, and join me on this unforgettable flight experience as we share tips, insights, and breathtaking views along the way. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's take off together.
At this time, you are free to drag out those larger electronics and chips still for takeoff. This aircraft is Wi-Fi enabled. If you have an electronic device that's capable of Wi-Fi, simply log on to the internet using your browser and follow the prompts. You are free to drag out those larger electronics and chips still for takeoff. This aircraft is Wi-Fi enabled. If you have an electronic device that's capable of Wi-Fi, simply log on to the internet using your browser and follow the prompts. At this time, you are free to drag out those larger electronics and chips still for takeoff. This aircraft is Wi-Fi enabled. If you have an electronic device that's capable of Wi-Fi, simply log on to the internet using your browser and follow the prompts.